Where is your father going? He is going to the market. Where is your mother going? She is going to the doctor. Where is your brother going? He is going to play tennis. Where is your sister going? She is going to buy a book. Where is your husband going? He is going to the beach. Where is your son going? My son is going to his friend. Where is your daughter going? She is going to a dentist. Where is your friend going? She is going to her native town. Where is your servant going? He is going to buy some food. Where is your driver going? He is going with us. Where is your cook going? He is going to the kitchen. Where is your neighbor going? She is going to attend her classes. Where is your uncle going? He is going to the church. Where is your aunt going? She is going in a party. Where is that doctor going? He is going to his clinic. Where is the little girl going? She is going to play with her friends. Where is your boss going? He is going to the new office. Where is this teacher going? She is going to meet with her mother. Where is this child going? This child is going to her mother. Where is the baby going? The baby is going to the cat. Where is the worker going? The worker is going to the factory. Where is the postman going? The postman is going to deliver a letter. Where is the student going? The student is going to his teacher. Where is this bus going? This bus is going to its destination. Thanks for watching my video.